You spend years learning light, composition, color, and timing. You upgrade camera bodies, invest in better lenses, faster cards, and cleaner edits. But for many professionals, the weakest part of the photography business still comes at the very end. Client gallery delivery. The moment your work leaves your system, it often turns into a basic link or a generic folder. And no matter how good your images are, a poor online photo gallery experience quietly lowers their perceived value. That's where Pic-Time for photographers comes in. Pic-Time was built to solve this exact problem. It is not designed as basic cloud storage or file sharing. It is designed as an online photo gallery platform for photographers who want control over presentation, experience, and business value. Instead of treating photos and videos as files, Pic-Time treats them as finished products. The platform focuses on how work is received, how clients interact with it, and how that interaction turns into trust, sharing, and revenue. The moment a client opens a Pic-Time gallery, the difference is obvious. The layout is clean. The design is minimal. Nothing distracts from the images themselves. Galleries feel calm, intentional, and professional. You can fully brand the client gallery delivery experience with your logo, colors, and layout preferences. Access, downloads, and sharing permissions are all under your control. This makes the gallery feel like part of your studio, not a third-party tool. For photographers who care about reputation and consistency, this premium presentation alone justifies the platform. One of the most impactful features in Pic-Time is AI-powered photo gallery search. Clients can find images by faces and moments instead of scrolling endlessly through hundreds or thousands of photos. This is especially valuable for weddings, events, and large family sessions. It reduces confusion, removes frustration, and keeps clients engaged longer. When clients enjoy navigating a gallery, they interact with it more. And when engagement increases, so does sharing, satisfaction, and the likelihood of print purchases. Pic-Time galleries are not just for viewing. They are designed to sell prints online seamlessly. Every gallery includes a built-in store where clients can order albums, wall art, framed prints, cards, and other products directly. Behind the scenes, Pic-Time connects your store to a global print lab network, handling fulfillment automatically. You don't manage printers, shipping, or follow-ups. You control pricing and margins, and the system handles execution. This turns delivery into a storefront and helps photographers earn more from work they've already completed. Selling prints consistently requires follow-up, and that's where most photographers fall short. Pic-Time solves this with built-in photography business tools, like automated sales campaigns, gallery reminders, abandoned cart follow-ups, and timed promotions run quietly in the background. You don't need to write emails or remember to check in with clients. Pic-Time is also a complete photo and video delivery platform. You can deliver short clips, highlight films, and full-length videos alongside photos in the same gallery. For hybrid shooters, this is critical. Instead of sending multiple links across different platforms, everything lives in one place. The client experience stays consistent, branded, and professional. Video is not treated as an add-on. It is fully integrated, allowing photographers and filmmakers to present their work as a cohesive story rather than separate pieces. Slideshows add another layer to the Pic-Time gallery experience. With licensed music and controlled pacing, slideshows help guide how clients experience your work emotionally. Instead of scrolling randomly, clients are led through a curated story. This matters for weddings, portraits, and family photography, where emotion drives sharing and purchasing decisions. Slideshows increase perceived value without additional shooting or editing. They turn galleries into experiences, not just collections of images. Pic-Time includes built-in blogging tools that extend the life of your work. Photographers can publish galleries as blog posts without re-uploading content or rebuilding layouts elsewhere. This allows finished work to remain searchable and discoverable long after delivery day. Instead of disappearing into archives, galleries can continue driving visibility, referrals, and traffic. An online photo gallery should not stop working once clients download their images. Pic-Time keeps it active and valuable over time. Beyond galleries, Pic-Time supports real photography workflows. CRM integrations help keep client data connected across platforms. A mobile app allows quick access to galleries on the go. Vendor sharing tools let photographers send curated galleries to venues or collaborators without losing control. These tools reduce friction, save time, and streamline everyday tasks. Instead of juggling multiple platforms, photographers can centralize delivery, sales, and presentation in one system, designed specifically for their needs. It turns delivery into experience into value, and value into something repeatable. This isn't just a gallery platform. It is infrastructure for a modern photography business. The official Pic-Time link is in the description. Explore it properly. Once you deliver work this way, it becomes very difficult to go back.